speed app especially are great. The first thing was I took speed app, started watching all the videos, sir. So his videos on vaporizers, on breathing circuits, and this test and discussion videos are too good. Speed app especially, so the technical team, they're so enthusiastic, so quickly they solve our issues.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute and to you, to Dr. Deepika, for scoring a topmost rank of 43 in Super Speciality of DM Anesthesia Group. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Great to have you in session. Also, thank you for your valuable time to share your experiences with us and also to the students watching this video.
Thank you, sir.
Great. Now, can we know your detailed background from where you started till date, what all you have accomplished?
Sir, I have done my MBBS from private college, Saptagiri Medical College in Bangalore. I did my MD from Validity Medical College, which is again in Bangalore. So after MD, I did my DMD. Then I did few online fellowships, and I finished my MD anesthesia in 2022, sir. So I was attending all the conferences and everything. I was trying to figure out what I had to do because yeah, I just was wanted to be sure. Then I realized it's better to do DM than doing fellowships. So then I started reading from 2025, sir. Actually, I just took 2 months of I was working also as well as going through MCQs and studying also in 2025, Feb and March. So yeah, the first thing I did was I took speed app and I was solving a lot of MCQs. So I have attended the last time also. Maybe probably I was not that well prepared enough. I got 380. My rank was 380 in March session. So then again, after the results and I attended the counseling, everything. So then again, I thought I'll give another try and I gave it this time. So.
Great. Amazing. Wonderful achievement and accomplishment. Very happy for you. And also want to know what super specialty you want to do.
So I want to do cardiac anesthesia. So that too probably in Zydevas, Bangalore.
A great specialty, wonderful specialty. We always have a lot of regards for cardiac anesthetist as a cardiac surgeon. And
There's also that's for surgeons and cardiac surgeons. Need to learn a lot from yeah.
great, wonderful that you could dream about cardiac anesthesia, very good specialty. And once you decided to do a super specialty, what all you did, what you prepared, how you prepared to achieve this wonderful rank?
Sir, I would want to say, like, I would want to tell all my juniors or colleagues or everyone, as soon as you finish your MD, you try to aim for a super specialty because there will be continuity with studies. It's easier. The moment you take break and start working, the gap makes you, the studies become tougher. This is from my experience. So that is one thing. And then second thing is there are so many facilities available now, sir. For the resources, there is no shortage. And speed app, especially, I would just want to convey all my colleagues that you sir. So basically, even I didn't know how to start preparing because I had finished MD and I was working. I was into work, so not like others. So the first thing was I took speed app. Started watching all the videos of the Shruti ma'am and especially I don't know what I have to say. Sir's videos are great. So his videos on vaporizers, on breathing circuits, and this test and discussion videos are too good. Akhilan sir, I don't know, I have no words for him. I'm so grateful because like my physics, my physics and vaporizers, breathing circuits, where I was poor at it. So because it is Akhilan sir's video, he made it so simple. He's made it so easy, sir, that I should say I kept it at the last this time. Like I knew, oh, Akhilan sir's videos are there. It's very easy. I watch it once, I get once. So, especially his test and discussions. So there are some 7 videos on test and discussions. He's done it really well. He has covered almost everything. He's told the complete anesthesia in that, the way the onset happens, how exactly the anesthesia drug levels in the blood and in the brain, in the respiratory system, how they have to be in equilibrium and how the action starts, everything. I don't know, sir. I'm very grateful to him. And Shruti ma'am is like a walking textbook. She covers so much in depth that after you see her video, no need to read any textbook. So much in depth, every point, each and every point she's covered. So
Both
it's really nice.
faculty will be very happy to listen.
Senior faculties, cardiac anesthesia and also the pediatric anesthesia videos are also too good, sir. They have also helped me.
Great, doctor. Wonderful to listen, because faculties will be very happy to listening to these wonderful words from you. Thank you for sharing. And we want to know how many questions you attend this exam.
Sir, I wanted to attend all the MCQs, but I could not manage time properly, sir. That I would tell again. I would tell my colleagues to be aware of the time, and if you're not sure of any question, I mean, totally not sure, better to go to the next questions. Don't waste time in that particular question, guessing or something. I've done that mistake. So I have attempted 149 questions out of 150.
Great. Can you share something on this paper about how the paper is towards what?
Yeah, yes, sir. Compared to the last time, the question paper this time, the questions were very lengthy, sir. By the time you read question, it takes a lot of time. Many questions were more than 3 lines. So I would tell my fellow colleagues and all my friends, who want to attempt for the next years. Firstly, the exam session will be in the afternoon. Please don't skip your lunch. I have done that mistake. So I had severe headache on the day of exam when I was sitting in front of the system. And if in case you're not sure of a particular question, like absolutely no idea, don't waste your time in guessing it. Let's take a guess, this or that, and all that, because the time is running, because it's time bound. At the moment those minutes are over, it just goes off. So this happened for me in the first session. First session, maybe I should have been a little more mindful and shouldn't have wasted time. So could not revise. I mean, could not go through the questions again, sir, because my time management was not that good in section A. B and C, I quickly corrected those mistakes. So I would tell that, and read the question completely. Just don't see few keywords. And even if you don't know the questions, even if you don't know, if because you would have studied a lot, use the rule of elimination, sir. Like you read a question, then you see the options, then you think it can't be A, it can't be D, it can't be B also. So you will come to the answer C. So do this rule also is what I would want to say.
Great.
This is
Very good. What is your message that you want to give for the future aspirants?
Sir, first thing is always be positive, sir, and your especially your videos 1 month back, 15 days back, 1 week back has inspired me a lot, and I have always many times when I have lost confidence, I've messaged you also, and sir replies like in no time. He sends voice messages. It is really inspiring, and I've listened to it many times because it was not easy for me. I was working also, and I was studying also. So many say, it's too late, you can't do it, and all that. So just keep your ears away from it and be positive. If in case little bit of positivity goes down, listen to sir's video. He is, I don't know, sir. It's not matched. The positivity of yours is not matched with anyone. You reply so soon also, sir. That is something I'm very much grateful. I want to say that to you.
Thank you.
Even if you have a very small doubts also, you have cleared it with your voice messages. So
Thank
that I'm very grateful. Even your team, sir, the technical team, just so enthusiastic, so quickly they solve our issues. So that also I would want to mention.
Thank you, doctor.
Yeah, yes, sir. And yeah, for my colleagues, what I would want to say is, don't allow your previous failures or whatever to affect you. And failures are not failures; they're always going to help you move ahead. They're like your stepping stones. Never give up. Never give up. Never give up. Keep doing. Be positive, and when you're preparing for the exam, have a delusion of grandeur. You think that I will top. I will do it. Don't think about the result. Just enjoy the process. Give your best. That's it. That's all.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. Great. Doctor, time to thank, and whom all you want to thank, that you feel that they have stood by you, helped you from day one till date.
So I would want to thank, first of all, I would like to thank my parents, my father especially. He's also like you, too positive, has helped me a lot. Then my mom, who's helped me being disciplined and being consistent actually. God and all my faculty of speed. So Akhilan sir, I don't know, sir. I have no words to thank him. So yeah, Shruti ma'am, too much in depth, and she keeps telling this might come, this might come, this is an important area. She's even marked it in red. So I like her notes when it comes to notes. All the faculty, the MCQs, the way it is concise, it's really very helpful, sir. Very helpful. Very grateful, sir. Very grateful. And for you, especially. Always available. Like a friend, actually, like a friend you've been there.
Great,
Thank you. Thank you.
amazing, wonderful words. The entire team of Speed and faculty will be really happy and to listen to all these wonderful words from you. Thank you for that, for sharing for them.
Thank you, because I've messaged you so many times. I've told all my problems, and you've always been like, be positive, doctor. It's okay. Keep doing. Be positive. Last 15 days, you take off and do it. And especially your advice of telling, daily solve one GPs. Last 1 week also. Like what usually few people do is, and also these grant tests, they all get over 20 to 30 days before the exam, sir. Last month, we should not sit only with the notes. Daily, we should do GTs. One GT per day. One GT per day, and as many MCQs as possible. It helps a lot. I have followed you, sir. Just I have followed you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So once again, I wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and wonderful, amazing and astonishing and admirable specialty and a great career in cardiac anesthesia. Best wishes to you. God bless you. And you're going to save and touch upon millions of life. Further advanced wishes and congratulations to you.
If I wish to work with you someday, sir. I mean, now I'm starting. After many years, I wish to work with you someday in OT.
Most welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you
Welcome.
so much.